IONIQ 6 for the US market. The 4-door electrified streamliner with a targeted estimated driving range of 340 miles is equipped with impressive technology. It is the second Hyundai model to ride on Hyundai's exclusive electric global modular platform that allows for dual motors, more interior space, and optimized performance. IONIQ 6 has got the extended 116-inch wheelbase and the ultra-low drag coefficient of 0.22. More than 700 parametric pixels can be found in the headlamps, rear lamps, front lower sensors, air vent garnishes, and central console. They reinforce IONIQ's brand identity. This car is available with a range of drive motors to fit the needs of every customer. When equipped with a single rear motor and the 77.4 kWh battery, IONIQ 6 maximum driving range on a single charge is a Hyundai estimated 340 miles. The maximum range of the dual-motor all-wheel drive models is a Hyundai estimated 310 miles. With a 350 kW charger, IONIQ 6's charge can go from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the new IONIQ 6?